So this what is happening actually in Uganda, a very serious update which has just dropped in from Chris Magezi, who is in charge of the publication of Uganda People's Defense Forces. He has released a hot development concerning the German ambassador to Uganda, that is Mr. Skuma, who is alleged to be involved in the creation of a new rebel group with intention to overthrow the current government, that is the government of Museveni. UPDF suspends defense cooperation with Germany over ambassador's conduct. Kampala, Sunday, May 25th, 2025. The Uganda People's Defense Forces, UPDF, has with immediate effect suspended all ongoing defense and military cooperation activities with the Federal Republic of Germany. The decision is in response to credible intelligence reports that the current German ambassador to Uganda, His Excellency Matthias Kua, is actively engaged in subversive activities in the country. The suspension will remain in force until the full resolution of the matter of the ambassador's involvement with hostile pseudo political military forces operating in the country against the Ugandan government is addressed. So, straight away from Chris Magezi, Colonel and Acting Director Defense Public Information at UPDF, or the Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs. Well, another one also comes from the chiefs of defense forces. Muhoozi talked about Pulkol, where he said there is a habitual traitor called Pulkol who dared to speak against me the other day. That betrayer of our late big brother, Brigadier Noble Mayombo, will have nowhere to hide. And then Muhoozi also said, to my Balaalo brothers and sisters in northern Uganda, the orders to leave northern Uganda come from the high command of UPDF. I shall come myself to the north to ensure it is done properly. So this is a heartbreaking one. Muhoozi is saying he's coming himself to chase away Balaalo. He is calling them Balaalo. So Muhoozi to come himself to chase away the Balaalo. I wish we could be there with our cameras to confirm if this is not a joke. I think it would be something. I think it could mend the relationship which was getting torn or burned down very fast between northern Uganda and the western Uganda. Then also lastly, Daudi Kabanda posted that the Patriotic League of Uganda, that is PLU, shall hold an energetic demonstration at the Germany embassy on the 5th of June 2025. Details will be availed in due course. And this is also in response or in the development with the allegation that the German ambassador is involved in the creation of a rebel to host out the president. And Muhoozi reposted it and said, Mshini Wami is Zulu for Ndetera Mbundu Yagje. So somebody who knows this language can translate for us in the comment section. Thank you.